Welcome back to my Extrude series. So this video is the Extrude series part 3. In this video or in this lecture, we'll design this part step by step. So we'll show the dimensions. We'll see the dimensions. So the total extrude is the total length of the part is 120 mm. From we can see that from ear to ear is 120 mm. Okay, so first we'll draw this part. We'll do this part. After that we'll draw this part. Okay, first we'll do this part. So what is the dimensions of this part? We can see here this is 65, which means from here to here is a 65, and this height is 10 mm. We can see that the height is 10 mm. From ear to ear is 10 mm, and the extrude this is how much? You can see that in this way. This is a 80 mm. Okay. So first we'll design this part. Okay. First we'll do this part. Then we'll do this part, and after this we'll do this part, and after this rectangle part and these things. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to fusion. First edit these total things. So I'm going to fusion. I'm selecting new part. Go to file, new design, sketch this part, front plane. Okay, so take the line or center point. Somewhere it is how much it is. Can go to PDF. This is 65 mm. Okay, 65 mm, and this one is a 10 mm. Okay, finish sketch. Next we'll do the extrude of 80 mm. Okay, 80 mm. And this one is a 80 mm. Okay, so next we'll do this rectangle part in this only. This is 10 mm. Okay, you can see that very clearly. Okay, from here to here is a 65 mm, and this one is we already done. Okay, so next we'll do this part. Next we'll do this part. Okay, so how much we can see here? Just I'm selecting this. So this is a 10 mm. 10 mm from here. 10 mm from here, which means this 10 mm, and this height is how much it is? The height is totally 60 mm. This height is totally 60 mm. From here to here is a 60 mm, and we already taken 10 mm, which means 50 mm. So already we'll do the 10 mm. This part is completed. This 10 mm. This is 10 mm. So totally 60 mm, which means 10 minus 60 minus 10. So 50 mm. Okay, 50 mm and 10 mm rectangle will draw, and extrude of same 66. Sorry, 80 mm. Okay, go to Fusion, click on this, click on this surface. Okay, click on this point. This is 10 mm, and this one is a 50 mm. Okay, finish sketch. Okay, next we'll do the extrude of 80 mm. Okay, so this part is completed. So next we'll do, next this part is completed. This one is completed. So next we'll do this part. Okay, we'll do this part. So for this, so what is the dimensions we'll identify. So from here to here is a 10 mm. Just observe, from here to here is 10 mm. This is 10 mm. After 10 mm, we'll draw one rectangle. The dimensions of from here to here, and from this is a rectangle. Okay, how much it is? This is, so what is the height? We know this length. This length is 80 mm. You can see here, this length is 80 mm, which means from here to here is a 80 mm, and we need to identify this height. So for this, we know this total mm as a 60. Okay, this total mm as a 60. Just I will note down here. This total mm as 60, and so this one we know that this is a 10 mm. So minus 10 mm, minus 10 mm, and this from here to here is a 35 mm, which means this is also 35 mm minus from the 65. So this total is 60 minus 45. So which means this height is, so which means this height is, which I'll change the color to green. So this height, wait, this height is, this height is 15 mm. So this from starting from 10 mm to 10 we need to leave. From here to here is 15 mm, 15 mm and 80 mm will draw the one rectangle. Okay, we'll draw the one rectangle. I'm going to Fusion, select this. Okay, so leave the 10 mm first. From zoom in to here, 10 mm first, leave the 10 mm. So 10 mm, and draw the 15 mm next. Otherwise 15 mm, and measure the from measure from here to here. How much? 35. Okay, this is 35. Very clear. This 35 and this 10. Okay, so then we'll draw 80 mm to here. 80 mm and 15 mm and 10 mm. Okay, so this is completed. So this part is completed. Finish sketch. Okay, next we will do the extrude of 80 mm minus 80 mm. Finish sketch. Okay, so next we will draw this side, the same this side. So we know the what is the dimension this side. We know the dimension this side now. So first we will draw this part. Okay, after that we will draw this part. Okay, so what is the dimension here? This is a 10 mm and this is 10 mm. We know that, and this is a 60 mm. We'll draw. Yes, and surface. Go to project those things. Okay, select this point from here to 10 mm, and here to here is a 10 mm, and here to here is 60 mm, and 10 mm, 60 mm. Okay, next finish sketch. Okay, next we'll go for extrude. Extrude part is a minus 80 mm. Okay, finish. So next we'll draw this part, the straight line. Then I'll take the project here. Okay, so next take the line. How much it is? Go to, we are identified this is 65, which means from here to here is a 65, and also same from here to here is take 65. Okay, and this side is 10 mm. Okay, just I'll go to the fusion. So from here to is a 65 mm, and is a 10 mm, and this one is a 5 mm. Finish sketch. Okay, so after this we'll go to the extrude. Click on this, 80 mm. That is a minus 80 mm, minus 80 mm. So give the join. It should be join. Okay, hold and shift and rotate. Perfect. Okay, so next this part is completed. So this one is completed. Which one? So from here to here we'll draw, and from here to here, and next here to here. Okay, this was completed. Next we'll do the this part. Okay, next we'll do this part. Okay, so for this we'll go select this plane. Wait a minute, this will draw this part. Okay, so for this we'll select this plane surface, and we'll draw this rectangle and cut. This is one option, which means we'll draw this rectangle like this, Okay, and we'll draw the rectangle like this. Wait, I'll draw the rectangle first. We'll draw the rectangle like this, and then we'll cut into this style shape. This is the one method. Otherwise, what we'll do, we'll select this surface, we'll draw the one, create the one plane here, and we'll draw this triangle. Okay, I will do two methods. I will show the two method. Just I'll go to Fusion. Just click on the construction. Solve surface this. How much from center? That is also very important. So this, just you can observe here. This is the this part. Okay. So from here to here is 40 mm, which means this is already 10 mm. This is already 10 mm, which is a 40 mm, and this thickness already 10 mm. We know that. So which means, so 40 mm, just 40 mm minus 10 by 2. So 40 minus 5. So 35. 35. This is one method. 35. We'll create the one plane 35. Offset from this surface minus 35. Okay. So next, click on home. Sketch this surface. Okay. Next, take the references. Go to project. Take this one, this one. Okay. So next, this we need to draw this one. Yeah, we need to draw this one. For this, we know the dimensions from this point to this line. Height is from here. We know, just observe here. The height is 40 mm here, which means, so from here to 1 mm, 30 mm, which means already 10 mm on. Here we just observe here 10 mm. Already man use this line. Okay, so which means from here to here is a 30 mm. So 30 mm. Just I'm going to Fusion. Okay, take this line from here to here, and here to here is a 30 mm. Okay, then draw this one. Just I'll show the dimensions from point to this 40 mm. Okay, finish sketch. Next, we'll do the extrude of this side minus 10 mm. Finish sketch. This is the one method. This is the one method. I will draw another method. Just I will do this thing. I will write this side. I will do. Okay. Just I will delete both. Okay. I will select this office. Okay. We need to identify the first 30. Just go to project. Okay. Identify the center point. Go to point. This is the midpoint. Okay. So each side is 5 mm. Okay. Next, sorry. From here to here is a 30 mm. And here to here is a 10 mm and 30 mm. Okay, finish it. Extrude, select this one. Okay, next 50 mm. Join. So after this, I'm selecting this. Some gap is there. It is a 65 exactly. Not it is sketch. Finish. Extrude. Edit feature is a minus 65. sketch. Okay, take this line and this side. Finish sketch. Next extrude this part. Okay, this is second method. So I will draw the first method to that side. I will draw the first method to this side. Okay, this is that this side also rectangle is there now. So I will draw it this side. Okay, this one is there now. This side rectangle. Wait. We'll draw this side. We will draw the rectangle on this side. This side. Okay. So next we'll draw this one. After this we'll draw this circle and in the middle circle. Okay. Same dimension. Just I'm going to the fusion. On this side, I'll create the one plane of minus 40 mm. No, minus 30 mm, 35 mm. Okay, let's select the plane, this surface. After that, we'll go to project this one. Okay, project this from here to how much? The center point. Okay, from here to here, how much? 40, not 30, 30. Okay, then this side, next finish sketch. Extrude, this is minus 10 mm. Okay, so this part is completed. So then we'll draw the circles. The circles. The circles is there, no? The circles. Just we draw this circle. Wait a minute. All those clean. We'll draw this circle and this circle. Okay. So first we'll identify the center point 27.5 in the middle, and this one is a is there how much? The 17.5 here. Just observe here. This is 17.5. Okay. So which means from here to here 27.5 and from here to here is at 17.5. This is a one circle and same like this and this circle. Okay, like that we need to draw the four circle, then do the extrude cut. Okay, this I'm going to fusion, select the surface. Finish it, delete. Okay, we'll do here. How much? So take the references, go to project. We need this side reference and this side difference. Okay, from here to here is the 27.5 and from here to here is the 17.5. Okay, just we'll give the dimensions first and this one. Okay, just observe very clearly this dimensions. Okay, then I'll convert this line into normal construction. After click and escape from the line normal construction, this one also normal construction. Okay, after this we'll draw the circle. How much the cycle radius is? The cycle radius you can observe here. Four circles with 12 mm. 12 mm dia 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you can just observe here. This is a one circle, circle number 2, circle number 3 and circle number 4. So one circle with a dia of 12 mm. 12 mm diameter. Okay. So, right. So this how much it is? 12 dia. Finish sketch. Okay. Click on home. I'll also remove this one. Extrude. Click on extrude. Minus 10 mm. This is a one hole. Like this, we need to draw 4 holes. Same dimension. Go to click on this one. Just take the references. This project reference. This one and this one. Okay. Just line from here to the center 12.5 and from here to 17.5. Okay. Before that, I'll give the dimensions. Okay. Click on this one. 12 die. Finish sketch. Before that, I'll go and convert into edit sketch. I'll convert into this lines as a normal or construction reference lines. Finish sketch. Extrude. This one is a minus 30 mm. Okay, 2 is completed. We'll do this side and the surface. So we know the dimensions already. This is a 12.5 and this one is a 17.5. Now just click the dimensions from here. It's a not 17.5 project. Just give the references first. Go to create project. This one and this one. This one. Okay. 27.5. Okay. So from here to this corner to this here 27.5. Okay. So next here to here is a 17.5. Okay. I'll give the dimensions first. Finish sketch. Okay, then click on escape from the exit from the command tool and click on normal construction. Click on normal construction, not a line. Click on the normal construction. Okay, this is a 12 mm. Okay, this 12 mm. Finish sketch. Extrude 20 mm. Okay, so next we'll draw this side. Next we'll draw this side. Click on the project. This references. Take the axis and from here to 17.5. Before that, I'll give the dimensions. The 17.5 and the dimension is 17.5. Okay, click on the line, escape. Click on the line, normal construction. Click on the line, normal construction. Then click on the axis line. This is a 12 mm. And finish sketch. Next, go to extrude. Next, extrude 10 mm. Okay, so we'll complete the 4 circles. So we'll draw the inner circle, this circle. Just observe the dimension. We'll draw this one. So what are the dimensions are there? Just observe from this center, this point to this point is a 40 mm. Okay, and from here to here is a 40 mm. Just observe, this is a 40 mm. So we'll identify the center point. This is the center point. This is the center point. Okay, of this center point we'll draw the diameter of 40 mm. So okay, then we'll do the extrude. Okay, I'm going to the fusion. Click on surface. So we'll take the project. Okay, so next we'll take the line from here to 40 and here to 40. Okay, just target the dimensions 40, 40. Then click on this. Okay, normal construction, normal construction. Click on this line. The dimension is 40 mm. Okay, finish sketch, extrude this circle as a 30 mm. Okay, so you can see that. Then we'll apply the colors. So go to modify appearance. I'll give yellow. Okay, then we'll see the what did it. Play the video once again. Okay, we'll save the part. Go to save the part. Extrude part 2. Okay, save. Thank you.